Okay, let's talk about your new secret weapon for marketing online. Are you tired of building splash pages that just flop? Yeah, we've all been there.
But what if you could ditch all that work and launch a perfect page in minutes?
Well, get ready. Introducing the brand new Trafficera AI Splash Builder. This thing creates pro, high-converting splash pages in minutes. No coding needed. And getting started, it's so easy. Seriously, it's just 4 simple steps.
First, the AI analyzes your link and literally writes compelling copy for you.
And here's the fun part. You can unleash your creativity with 5 unique design styles. Whether you need bold, minimal, or even luxury, there's a perfect style for any offer.
Plus, you can bring your page to life with your own custom images or YouTube videos.
Okay, but what if you need to make a change? Don't worry, you have total control.
Need a quick text change? Use Quick Edit. It's instant, easy, and totally free.
For bigger changes, just talk to the AI. Describe what you want in plain English.
Or, hey, want a completely fresh design? 1 click to regenerate. It's that simple.
See, this isn't just a page builder. It's a complete marketing toolkit.
You get awesome pro features like version history, full HTML access, and even free hosting.
And get this, you get 50 AI generations every single month to play with.
That means you can build a library of up to 50 of your own splash pages.
Basically, it's your secret weapon for standing out and crushing it in the traffic exchanges.
And the best part, the AI Splash Builder is an exclusive perk for Trafficera Club members.
Oh, and we've got a bonus for you. Create your first page today, get 10,000 bonus credits.
So, you're probably asking how to get started. It's live right now in your members area.
Your next winning campaign is literally 1 click away. So, are you ready to build it?